Annyeonghaseyo, Yorobun. This is Anthony Jersaniba, vlogger sa South Korea. So in this lesson guys, medyo mahaba yung isi-share natin. Ganito po kasi yung ginagawa ko kapag magpa-practice ako ng mga grammar sentences. Okay? So ito yung mga common vocabularies. Okay? Episode number 1 to guys. And then yung strategy on expanding vocabularies. Okay? So using this grammar conjugation, iyeyo and yeyo, and yung ekada. Okay? So, let's say, for example, itong house, jeep, ito yung pagko-conjugate niya. Gamit yung iyeyo, magiging jibiyeyo. Okay? So, kapag may consonant or may patchim sa ilalim, ay ang gagamitin natin yung iyeyo. Kung hindi nyo pa po alam sa mga previous, sa mga nakaraang video natin, meron po tayong tutorial niyan kung paano mag-conjugate. Okay? So, kapag sinabing GBAyo, it's home or it's a home. Okay? Kapag sinabi namang GB kayo, go home or go to home. Okay? So, GBAyo, ito yung conjugation niya. Tapos yung GB kayo, ito siya. Okay? So, lahat guys ng common vocabularies na to, ganito ko siya ginagawa. Okay? So, siya nga pala, pag sa mga gustong kumuha ng copy na to, mag-message lang po kayo or mag-comment kayo para ma-send natin yung copy na to. Okay? So, ito guys, basic pa lang naman ito. Basic pa lang po ito. Sa mga hindi pa masyadong gamay yung mga vocabularies or yung grammar na ito. Okay? So, yan. Let's say, for example, ito number 2, yung building, konmul. And then, kapag kinonjugate niya, konmurieyo. Okay? Konmurieyo. It is a building. Okay? Kapag naman, kada, konmure kayo. Okay? Konmure kayo. Go to building or go to the building. Number 3, yung school, hakyo. Hakyuyeyo. Okay? Tingnan nyo guys, walang patching, magiging yeyo lang gagamitin natin. Hakyuyeyo, it is a school. Okay? Pag naman, pupunta sa school, go to the school, hakyue kayo. Okay? Number 5, convenience store, pionejom. Okay? Pionejomiyeyo. Pionejomiyeyo. Okay? It's a convenience store. Pionejume kayo. Okay? So, go to the convenience store. Okay? So, itong convenience store, guys, parang yung 7-Eleven, ganyan. Yun yung mga convenience store. Yung number 6, hospital, Pyeongwon. Pyeongwon이에요. It's a hospital. And then, Pyeongwon에 kayo. So, hindi ko na mabasahin to, guys. Dito lang tayo para hindi masyadong mahaba yung video natin. So, 시장이에요. It's a market. It is a market. 시장에 가요. Go to the market. 식당이에요. It is a restaurant. 식당에 가요. Go to the restaurant. 빵집이에요. It is a bakery. 빵집에 가요. Go to the bakery. 약국이에요. It is a pharmacy. 약국에 가요. To the pharmacy. Go to the pharmacy. 이발소예요. It's a barbershop. 이발소에 가요. Go to the barbershop. 은행이에요. It is a bank. 은행에 가요. Go to the bank. 부동산이에요. 부동산이에요. It is a real store office. 부동산에 가요. Go to the real office. Real estate office. 학원이에요. It is a institute. 학원에 가요. 학원에 가요. Go to the institute. 경찰서예요. 경찰서예요. It is a police station. 경찰서에 가요. Go to the police station. Number 16, 소방서예요. It is a fire station. 소방서에 가요. Go to the fire station. 주유소예요. It is a gas station. Juyusue kayo, go to the gas station. Yongwagwanieyo, it is a cinema. Yongwagwane kayo, go to the cinema. Myeonsejumiyeyo, it is a duty free shop. Myeonsejume kayo, go to the duty free shop. Kakujumiyeyo, it is a furniture shop. Kakujume kayo, go to the furniture shop. Hoteriyeyo, it is a hotel. Hotere kayo, go to the hotel. Uchegikiyeyo, it is a post office. Uchegukue kayo, go to the post office. Juchajangiyeyo, it is a parking area. Juchajange kayo, go to the parking area. Cheyukguaniyeyo, it is a gym. Cheyukguane kayo, go to the gym. It is a gym. Suyungjangiyeyo, it is a swimming pool. Suyungjange kayo, go to the swimming pool. Noritoiyeyo, it is a playground. Noritoe kayo, go to the playground. Sichungiyeyo, it is a city hall. Sichunge kayo, go to the city hall. Guchongiyeyo, it is a district office. Guchunge kayo, go to the district office. Duchongiyeyo, it is a provincial office. Duchonge kayo, go to the provincial office. Dongsamuso yeyo, it is a village. Dongsamusoe kayo, go to the village. So, correction lang guys, may mali tayong isa na mislook ko. Itong Suyungjang, ito guys. So, mali ito. Ang gagamitin natin dito ay yeyo kasi nagtatapos siya sa vowel. Okay? So, yan guys ang may share ko sa inyo sa araw na ito. I hope makapagbigay kaalaman sa atin to, makapag-expand ng vocabularies natin. So hanggang dyan lang guys. Maraming salamat sa panood. Thank you and God bless.